Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need Messages active and an Apple ID signed in. Once Messages is open, choose a conversation or start a new thread. Tap the App Store icon next to the text field to expose the iMessage app drawer. If you don't see the drawer, swipe left on the row of app icons. This reveals installed iMessage apps. Make sure you have cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity. Some games download content on first launch. Now you're ready to install or open a game extension. You'll tap the four-dot grid to show all iMessage apps, then hit the Store Plus to browse games that run inside Messages. Search for game name or browse categories, download or get the iMessage extension version, not just the standalone app. Once installed, return to your conversation, open the app drawer and tap the game icon to launch it. You'll often choose single or multiplayer mode. Select Invite or Play Now. The game will attach to the thread for turn-based. You play directly in the conversation. Make your move, tap Send, and the game state posts as a tappable message. For live multiplayer, ensure both parties grant permissions and stay on the same network type if needed. If the game freezes or won't load, update the iMessage extension in the App Store. Once done, force quit Messages and reopen it. Make sure background app refresh and network access are enabled. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and try again. That usually clears transient connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.